This RadioKing, we did a fresh installation for a Kia Optima of 9 inches. On this car you have the steering controls which are working. Also on this car we installed the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which works perfectly as well on the screen. Without any issues, had the contacts synchronization. The Spotify as well, this works. Also by the phone you can use the Apple CarPlay for maps through the Apple Maps or Google Maps you can use as well. Also you have the integrated maps on the radio, which works through the hotspot, but you need to just connect the hotspot. Also you can use the Google Play Store to download any apps. So you're getting the YouTube on our radio, which will just connecting to the internet and you can use. And the speed control, which will work by the bass boost, surround sound and zones. Radio stations shows everything. All radio stations are working and showing displayed on your screen, and you can save up to 18 stations on the radio. Thank you.